and today I'm going to be opening Daisy! And look at what I got. There's some. I got like this back. Thing. And this. Show her the things. And I got this orange bag for them. This orange bag. She has these. Yeah, you know that already. And these. Anyways, she has these. I have one more in itself. These things are all similar to this. But you don't see a backpack because they replace the backpack with the guitar. Yeah, I thought it would be a little more fun. Yeah, and then they let's get opening. So when I came back, it wasn't like open here and on the bottom. So I thought it would be good to not just cut it with scissors, but to open it on the back because it's open. And we should fall off. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna start opening. Yeah, what this? I just opened it. I'm so excited to play with her. Me. So that's for sure. So we need scissors now. We need scissors size. They're the same. So it came with this like toothbrush, and then it came with this toothpaste. They're pink, and I like how they're different colors to that. And it came with this guitar. And then this, a little bag, you can open it to put anything inside. And I like that it came with a cat. Finally, I get a cat. And it came with this little pillow neck where you go to sleep in it. A camera. And a water bottle. Or a cell phone. No drawing. And a little of some headphones. And of course, a door when you're traveling, you always need luggage. And stickers. And finally, the doll. She's so beautiful. And look, I just have these cute little headphones. And these watch, like for cat things. This is cat thing. And then it came with this. It came with this toothbrush. And it came with this toothbrush. It came with this toothpaste. It's blue, and this is green. And this is like where you put it. Okay. And they came with this cute little this cute little face mask. And this camera. I'm trying to get it out. And this cute thing. And then the doggy. And a backpack here. And then the things like a cell phone in the water. And then I have one more thing. Barbie! This is their cute Barbie. It has cute little glasses. And these cute shoes. And this bucket is they can't fit it. This did. We just tried and then it brought off again. Guys, this was fun, but I think we need a little more decoration. Stickers. So here, and here, these look realistic, these things. So I think we should put them on cardboard and cut them out. Because why? They're stickers. Yeah, they have to be this. So guys, I think this and this air ticket would go here or here. But we would put this in a different cardboard box. Here. So guys, I guess we were just done with doing this part. So much fun. This is a white on the back, but this. This is what Sika do. Show them. It fell. One fell. So this is my sister's, and my favorite part is that actually they have like just different magazines. So they're like into different styles. That's my favorite part. Well, yeah. Hey Barbie. What? Wanna go traveling? Yeah. It's a great day. Okay. Okay, let's go pack. And make sure to bring your dog. I'll bring my cat. La la la. I'm gonna put my traveling things. Oh, my glasses too. It's a great day. It's a great day. As I said. I just like them. One more thing. I am finally done packing. I'm finally done. This is what my bag thing. Now I'm gonna get my guitar. What about if it's a long way? I might as well sing something. It's not gonna be a long way, no. Well, anyways, I might just take it because I love my guitar. Wait, where's Daisy Cat? That's my cat's name. Cat Daisy. Hi. Oh, you got on me. Oh, yeah. He loves me. She just loves me. Where's? Wait. Jimmy. Anyways, let's go. Oh, I see somebody's here. Wait. Hey, wanna go to the woods? Yeah, I think that's a great place. What? Back it. I might just take my guitar though. Daisy. I think and put the guitar here just in case somebody asks me to play with or something. Because it might be a long way. It is a long way. Wait, where's Taffy? I got my car. Back in. Come on. Taffy. Hey, can I drive? Sure. I'm just ready to go in here. Okay. Wait, my shoes fell off. This is a long way. Put it again. Come on, cat. Okay. Let's hit the road, baby. I can't believe you just caught this. Me? Thank you for inviting us to this picnic. gonna park. We're not ready. Pasito, 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 pasito. I'll go see the picnic right now. I'm gonna start the picnic. Okay. Oh no. Jadine, this is great. It's all set. I might even sit on the grass though. I don't care. That's where the kids might go. Well, I think over there was a bit of a bad spot. But over here's more better. Okay. Chelsea, do you want me to help? Chelsea, hey, do you want me to play a little song? Sure. Now let me play the song I said. Yo, what song? I don't know. What about one that you made up? Okay. Chelsea, do you want to help me? Sure. Do you want to help me? This drink is the best. Me too. This drink is the best. Too good. Hey, can I play with your cat for a while? I'm not really hungry. I just ate an hour ago. Okay. Chelsea, do you want to eat this biscuit Yugo? And you can eat cupcake. I'm gonna eat a cupcake. Ken, do you wanna have a cupcake like me? No thanks. I'm drinking some milk. I'm just gonna drink some coffee. I'm gonna get some yogurt. I'm gonna go get something. Oh, well, this was a very fun picnic. Here, have some more coffee. It's ending, okay. Well, come on, it's time to leave. Bye. Okay. So thank you guys for watching my video, unboxing a toy and doing some DIYs with me. Yeah, I just opened this tomorrow and thank you for playing with me. I hope you have a wonderful day. And make sure you subscribe, like, and in the comments down below, comment down below if you have ever opened a luggage. This is my first one. So, bye.